Gershwin, some old-timey jazz. This one's published in 1924. Okay, cool. The flapper era. All right, so I'll begin by playing this, 15 seconds of music, give you a sense of what this sounds like, and then I'll take it apart. I'll show you the layers so that you can learn it yourself. Here we go. The band I love. Stop, I guess, right? The nice thing here is that we can really differentiate between what is melodic and what is the harmonic accompaniment. So we have the bottom section, let's call it, of this little sandwich. Begin with E flat major, so we'll start with that. You can begin with 4-1 in the left or 5-1, whatever you want really. And 1, 2, 4, 5 to the right. Roll it. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. And then back to the bottom. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. It's a little bit like you have somebody singing with you, except that you have to play what is sung. So let's have a look at the bottom part first. As I said, we begin with the E flat major rolled, the melody above it. I'll show you that in a little bit. Bottom layer first. Next, that'll be octave A flat, down by a semitone. Down by a semitone still, but play with a couple notes in between them. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Notice the similarity between this chord and the first one we started with. We begin with this, E flat major, with G naturals, and then G flats, making it E flat minor. So again, once you finish that octave, roll it. You have 2 octaves and you finish on a roll. Like that. There's your right hand. The left will have a B flat octave resolving to 3 and 1. Yeah, and this 3 and 1 will also be rolled, and it'll be part of the roll of the right hand. So watch what happens when you put the hands together. You're going to have to fit this octave B flat in between the first 2 octaves of the right hand. Like that. Right, left, right. Easy enough. And then roll all the notes. You don't have to worry too much about rhythm. This is fairly free, and later on I will give you some of the counts to sort of put some stakes in the ground rhythmically, but on the whole you want to make this thing feel very almost improvised, so not too much worry about the rhythm. Like that. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Moving on. So, after finishing this, the melody will play its thing, ba-da-da-dum. Then we have the exact same chord not rolled once. Octave, back down, octave, and then 4-1 in the left, 1, 2, 3, and 5 in the right. touch again. Like that. I would use 5s for all of these octaves. That's what we're after. Put everything together. Cool. That's not too shabby. Put that in your back pocket and you'll come back to it. Now we go to the melody. So we start with that roll and then the melody comes in. And literally it's very straightforward. The melody is really just this. And you have 3 octaves of that. It'll be... In fact, I'd recommend you learn that first. It'll make your life a little easier later down the line and more musical. So 5-4, 5-4, 5-3, and it's all swung. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Like that. And then the right hand, same type of thing, but all in octave form. Like that. Just make sure that you sort of feel like you're sliding, not physically sliding, but just the motion of the hand slides from one to the next. Right? Don't be too jagged in your movements. A bit more the attitude. So if you can do that with both hands. You can now fill out the harmony in between all of it. The nice thing here is that all of that harmony stays put. It just keeps replaying. So these are the notes that are going to replay for every moment of this little figure. So, you see? Left hand first. That's all there is to it. You just add these two to everything that the left hand was playing previously. The right hand, same type of thing. 1, 2, 3, and 5. And then the octaves move to C as you expect. The middles stay put. Everything aligns. Put it together. Not too shabby. Okay. Put that together with the left. We begin with a roll. Let's start it off and then the melody. Here, you can change the pedal on this final chord if it's too boomy. It might not be necessary, but if it is, this is the place to change it. Back down in position and play the bottom stuff. And then we're off to the next one. Almost the same, except that the G's are lowered to G flats, and there's fewer of the melodic notes. Cool. So I'm gonna continue with this on the website, of course, in our library. That's where you can find this, the whole tutorial. as well as hundreds at this point of other pieces. Classical, film, TV show, all that stuff is there. It's free to try it out, so I say give it a go. And I'll move on to the next one after this. Stick around. Let's move forward. Once we get through the first couple bars of this, it becomes a lot easier because it's a lot of recycled material. Alrighty, see you soon.